So now I'm going to review with you the daily cleaning procedures, and there are three major differences between this and the peak period. And those are discard the buttered flavored vegetable oil from the butter wheel, RISA all the parts of the toaster, and then thirdly, wipe down the conveyor belts. So now I want to show you how to take off the front cover and the back cover of the toaster to properly RISA these two pieces. There is a difference, and I'm using my heat-resistant gloves because the unit will be hot. You want to lift up from the bottom of the front cover and pull towards you. This is slightly different than the older toaster where this is not removable. You will just lay it down and RISA that piece in place. So unlike the front cover, the back cover to the toaster, again with my heat-resistant gloves, I'm going to lift up from the bottom, remove this cover, and take this to the 3-compartment sink or the dishwasher to be properly RISA'd. Just reiterate something after you've fully RISA'd all the parts and pieces to this toaster. One important fact with the butter wheel is to make sure that the butter wheel itself and the trough are completely dry, because oil and water do not mix. And if you have not made sure that it's completely dry, when you do add the butter and you try to butter the bread, you will see that you will not get a full application of butter onto the bread. So now I'm going to show you how to wipe down your conveyor belt. And the things you'll need for this are your heat-resistant gloves, sanitizer with a kitchen towel, and you'll need your toaster plugged back in. So I'm going to put my gloves on. I'm going to power the toaster back up. I'm going to take the dampened kitchen towel and sanitizer solution, and I'm going to make sure that I press down on the button to rotate the conveyor belts, and simply using the towel, I'm going to wipe down the conveyor belt. And make sure that you cycle through the entire conveyor belt. And that's it. And make sure that you get the other side, which is exactly the same.